Hey guys, Funky Kev here, and this is an unboxing of me new car. The company is called Absima or something like that, but the car says a different name to the actual box. I was going to do an unboxing, but the box is just a brown box, it don't really tell you note. So we're going to have a look inside a minute. So it just flips, it's got a little pin there and it clips in down here and then it just opens up. The good thing is it's all sealed up. So this pin here, you pull that back, your battery goes in here. Yeah, ESC is in there. Your motor, it's Dean's connected, and to get it all off you just unscrew all the screws here, but it don't really tell you much. So I've got the actual thing up here on Model Sport, so we're gonna have a look. Right, so this is the stuff. So it comes 4-wheel drive, ball race transmitter, which I don't know, oil fill shocks, which I haven't actually checked to see what oil they've got in yet. So it's got a 3,421 brushless motor, water resistance on your speed control and your servo, covered chassis for extra protection, so that means you're not going to get any dirt in it with any luck. Your hinge pin for your body for your battery. So it's got an aluminium engine mount, completely covered transmission, so we'll see how that goes. So you can still adjust the turnbuckles and everything else. And that's the car, which I think really looks nice. The wheels feel good. As normal, you get your basic. Ooh, I'll put it there, you can see it better. You get your basic transmitter with all your throttle, turn rate, steering trim, throttle trim, and everything else. And then you just get your, as always, just your basic book to bind your radio if you need to, which I didn't need to. So that's it. So I'm going to take this out to a little dirt track and I'm going to give it a blast round. I might have to look at the shock oil.
Yeah.
It might be a bit too weak where the chassis is hitting the floor.
Yeah.
I might put some stronger so it don't.
But this is first day out.
Yeah.